Welcome to AGORACOM, a small cap epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investment. It's Tuesday, June the 21st. I've got two press releases for you. First one comes out of Extreme Biodiesel. Trades on the stock symbol BRKM. This isn't a AGORACOM client. Have to disclose that, but we don't talk about AGORACOM clients unless the news stands on its own 2 feet. This news came out yesterday afternoon. They announced an 840% increase in third quarter revenue. This is where the quarter ended March 31st versus they brought in $171,000 for this Q3. That compares to $18,000 for Q3 in 2010. That's fantastic growth. We're very happy for the company. Not a surprise, though, because this is one of those biodiesel companies that is delivering results. A little bit about the company, if you don't know them, they're fully licensed and permitted biodiesel producer operating in Corona, California. Their facility has been in operation since January 2008. This isn't a Johnny-come-lately company. They're producing biodiesel fuel naturally, manufacturing personal biodiesel processors, and recently added restaurant brown grease recycling service. So they're hitting on the commercial, retail, and institutional levels all the way across. Closed yesterday 13.5 cents, a 52-week trade range, 22 on the high, 6 on the low. Market cap just under $14 million. If you believe that oil prices are going to remain high, that means some of the $85 to triple-digit range for the foreseeable future. If you believe in renewable energy, alternative energy, then Extreme Biodiesel is a company you have to look into. Assume I'm completely conflicted because they are a client. Do your own due diligence. But this kind of growth tells me they're on the right track, they're going in the right direction, and they're worth putting on your radar screen. Resources are dominating because the next story up is Levon Resources, TSX Venture LVN, and for our friends in Germany, L09 on both the Berlin and Frankfurt exchanges. They're announcing and they're reporting their first bulk tonnage 43101 compliant resource. This is for their Cordero project. It's wholly owned in Mexico. The mineral resource estimate is within an entire open pit geometry. Here are just some of the highlights. You got to go do the rest of the work, but it's good news. On the indicated side, indicated 521 million tons containing 310 million ounces silver, about 900,000 ounces gold, 5.3 billion pounds of zinc, 2.9 billion pounds of lead. On the inferred side, it looks like 200 million tons containing 139.9 million ounces of silver, 229,000 ounces of gold, 2.2 billion pounds of zinc, 1.2 billion pounds of lead. Those are just massive numbers, but go do your own due diligence because you got to find out about where it's economical and all those kind of things. But great numbers. Congratulations to my friend Ron Tremblay, is the president CEO over at Levon. Closed yesterday $1.69. Today, big move, $1.89. That's an 11.8% move on 870,000 shares, and we've literally just pretty much started trading. So the market loves this news. They're very happy with it, and I'm happy for the Levon guys. Finally, one last big piece of news. Happy birthday to my daughter, Mariella, who's turning 3 today. This is what I love about the web. She may not understand it today, but she can be able to watch this years and years from now on YouTube and our site and all these other places. Happy birthday, Mariella. Have a great day, and I hope you're watching this for years to come. Otherwise, that's a wrap. If you're watching this on Globe Investor and looking for more great small cap resources companies we've covered that look below me or to the left of me, take a look at the stories we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already on the front page of AGORACOM, get there, watch the show, take a look at the headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.